Ma'am, sir, if you are looking for a retirement home here in Imus, Cavite, which is less than 30 minutes drive po, nasa Alabang, Metro Manila kayo or in the Metro Manila, to this video, ma'am, sir, I'll show you for this pre-selling project namin, Parkland Settings Vermosa. Kumusta na ba ito? And what is our available inventory po for this project? Ito na po ang pinaka-update ng Parkland Settings Vermosa. So this is the latest update po for this pre-selling project. On my right side, ma'am, sir, is where exactly this Parkland Settings Vermosa. And on my left side po is where exactly the Avida Vera Settings Vermosa, our existing project po. As you can see in this project po, ma'am, sir, 70 or 80% po completion for the road constructions. And for our main entrance po, ma'am, sir, as you can see po, meron na po siyang guardhouse na nakatayo. So, I mean, almost done or tuloy-tuloy yung progress ng project na ito. And for our amenities area, as you can see po, ma'am, sir, wala pa pong construction na nakatayo. So, more on, for this project, more on ang nasimulan po is fence and the roads construction. And speaking of for the fences po natin, on my estimate po, 50% more or less ang completion po for the entire fence po ng project na ito. So, ma'am, sir, in this project po, we have available 2 house and lot, which is a Macy model units, total of 67 square meter, floor area, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And also, we have available Tresta model units, 85 square meter, same 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So, ma'am, sir, if you are interested po for this project, message nyo lang po ako sa number nito and sasagutin ko po lahat ng mga concern nyo. So, this is the latest update for the Parkland Settings Vermosa. If you like this video, ma'am, sir, subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page po. Once again, ma'am, sir, this is Philip Ken Aguigue, your trusted Avida Property Specialist.